Evacuate now, as traffic may back up. All beaches on eastern North America will be abandoned. This is a tsunami warning for the entire east coast of North America. Evacuate to the west coast of North America now. I repeat, evacuate to the west coast of North America now. Catastrophic danger warning for all of the east coast of North America. A giant large wave is expected to hit the east coast of North America. All buildings in this area made after 2015 will collapse and the entire coast will be sunk into the Atlantic. You will be evacuated to the country of California. If you're evacuated to California and mentally evaluated, do not panic. It is for your own safety.
Message to all people who have fled the country of Massachusetts. The entire east coast of that country was sunk. You will now live in EAS, California for the rest of your life since your home is probably sunk.
Mensaje a todas las personas que han huido del país de Massachusetts. Se hundió toda la costa este de ese país. Ahora vivirá en como California por el resto de su vida, ya que su hogar probablemente esté hundido.